Cebolla is not trasante.
Oh, okay.
Turkeys. Wild turkeys.
Bet you didn't know you spoke another language, did you? Better watch out, they might attack you.
I was
think
gonna
they're competition.
So do you want to explain where we're at, Mark?
I would if I knew where I was at.
Or what our plans are today?
Well, our plans are to go and see two pieces of property that we're hoping, one of which can be turned into our farming project here in Ghana.
Okay.
And so the first process is to see a chief, which we have done, and we are on our way to the first piece of property, right now waiting for our escort, so to speak. And then we'll see where that goes, and then hopefully we can see the other piece of property. And the reason that we're looking at both of them is because we want to see which one, if any of them actually, would be suitable for farming. What kind of terrain is it? What kind of vegetation is there? What kind of cost estimates that we can come up with as far as being able to prepare the soil and kind of all that preliminary stuff that becomes important when you're doing farming.
Sounds great. All right. Hopefully the next video will be on the land looking at it.
That's right.
Herd of sheep. He's kind of out on a walk. Nobody's guiding him. They're just running down the road.